Hey friends, I'm Hari and today I've got something super cool for you. I'm going to show you a Photoshop trick that lets you magically remove any photo yet. So grab your mouse and let's dive right in. Open Photoshop, then you will see 4 options on the left. Click on Open at the bottom, then select your image and click Open. Now, in the toolbar, select the lasso tool. Make a selection on the image. Then go to Edit and select the Content Aware tool. Wait. And now see, this looks cool. Finally, click OK to complete your work. Done! And do this for a good video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and turn on notifications.